Ever come across a jewelry store claiming they're retiring after 38 years and giving away handmade jewelry for free? That's exactly what John and Mary Jewelry wants you to believe. And at first glance, it tugs at your emotions. A family-run brand. Nostalgic stories, urgency, and promises of beautiful farewell gifts. The website is built entirely around this emotional narrative, designed to make visitors feel like they're part of a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. But when you dig deeper, things don't quite add up. Despite their claims of decades in business, the site was only registered in 2026, making the 38 years of service story impossible. The so-called retirement tale feels fabricated, and the free jewelry offer is simply unrealistic. No genuine business gives away expensive handmade items without a catch. The product images look professional at first, but a closer look reveals they are AI-generated, and the descriptions are generic, lacking any real personal touch you would expect from a long-standing family jeweler. Contact details are vague, the phone number doesn't work, and there's no verifiable company information, which is another red flag. While browsing, you notice that the site charges for shipping fees and has unusually high return costs that are rooted to China, which doesn't align with the story of a local family business winding down operations. It's clear the entire setup is more about creating urgency and pulling on emotions than providing legitimate jewelry. This isn't a glowing recommendation or a straight-up warning either. It's a reminder to always verify online claims and look beyond storytelling, especially when something seems too good to be true. John and Mary Jewelry might look appealing at first glance, with promises of free gifts and nostalgic stories. But the facts raise serious questions about the legitimacy of the store, and whether it's really the farewell family business it claims to be. Buyers should proceed cautiously and do thorough research before trusting the narrative.